What if the world lost oxygen for 5 seconds? Imagine this. What if all the oxygen on Earth disappeared? Not forever, just for 5 seconds. Can you picture it? It might sound like a short time, but even 5 seconds without oxygen would change everything around us in big ways. Let's talk about what would happen if the Earth lost oxygen for just 5 seconds. This is a English waves question, and we will explore it step by step in very simple English. I'll explain everything in detail so you can understand it easily. First, let's talk about what oxygen is and why it is so important. Take a deep breath right now. Feel how good that feels. The air you breathe has different gases in it. About 21% of the air is oxygen, and the rest is mostly nitrogen, about 78%. Even though oxygen is not the most common gas in the air, it is the most important one for life. Without oxygen, plants, animals, water, and humans could not live. Life depends on oxygen. You might think 5 seconds without oxygen is not so bad. Most people can hold their breath for 30 seconds or more, right? But here's the thing. While your body might not notice the lack of oxygen for those 5 seconds, the rest of the world would be in big trouble. Let me explain why. If all the oxygen disappeared, one of the first things to happen would be that buildings would start to fall apart. Many buildings, bridges, and dams are made of concrete. Concrete looks very strong. But did you know that oxygen helps hold it together? Oxygen acts like glue in concrete. Without oxygen, concrete would turn into dust. Famous buildings like the Hoover Dam or the Pantheon Dome would crumble in just 5 seconds. That's scary to think about. Imagine cities falling apart in just a few seconds. Buildings would collapse and roads would break. Everything made of concrete would be destroyed. Big structures like skyscrapers, bridges, and tunnels would fall down. People inside those buildings would be in danger. Cars driving on roads would sink into the ground because the roads would also crumble. It would be chaos everywhere. Now, let's talk about metal. If you are near anything made of untreated metal, strange things would happen. Normally, metal has a thin layer on its surface that stops it from sticking to other metals. This layer is made because of oxygen. Without oxygen, this protective layer would disappear. Any pieces of metal that touch each other would stick together instantly. Cars, tools, fences, and even machines would fuse like melted metal. For example, if 2 cars touched each other, their metal parts would stick together. This would make it impossible to move them. Weird, right? Even small things like keys, nails, or screws would stick together. Anything made of metal would become useless because it would all fuse into one big piece of metal. Imagine trying to fix something with tools that are stuck together. It would be impossible. If you are relaxing at the beach during those 5 seconds, you'd better run for cover. Why? The ozone layer protects us from harmful UV rays from the sun. The ozone layer is made of oxygen. Without oxygen, the ozone layer would vanish. This means the sun's dangerous UV rays would hit the Earth directly. You would get a bad sunburn. Just 5 seconds. Your skin could even burn badly. Ouch! Not only that, but the UV rays would also harm plants and animals. Plants need sunlight to grow, but too much UV light can hurt them. Animals and humans would also feel the effects. Our skin would burn, and our eyes would hurt because of the bright sunlight. The Earth would become a very dangerous place without the ozone layer. It would feel like being outside on the hottest, brightest day of the year, but much worse. Here's another scary thing. Your ears would explode. Yes, you heard that right. Oxygen makes up 21% of the air, and this air creates pressure around us. If oxygen disappeared, the air pressure would drop suddenly. This sudden drop is like falling 2,000 meters in an instant. Your ears wouldn't have time to adjust, and they would burst. That would hurt a lot. People all over the world would feel this pain at the same time. It would be a very strange and painful experience. Imagine millions of people screaming in pain because their ears exploded. Even after the oxygen came back, people would still feel the pain for a long time. Doctors and hospitals would be very busy trying to help everyone. Now let's talk about transportation. Cars, planes, and other vehicles need oxygen to work. For example, cars use oxygen to burn fuel and keep the engine running. Without oxygen, combustion, the process that powers engines, would stop. Cars would shut down, and planes would fall from the sky. Millions of vehicles would stop moving in the middle of the road or in the air. Planes flying high in the sky would crash to the ground. Trains, buses, and even boats with engines would stop working. Can you imagine the chaos? Traffic would stop everywhere, and the sky would be filled with falling planes. People inside cars, buses, and trains would be stuck. It would be a disaster. Even emergency vehicles like ambulances and fire trucks would stop working. There would be no way to help people who were hurt or in danger. Have you ever wondered why the sky looks blue? It's because sunlight bounces off tiny particles in the air, including oxygen molecules. Without oxygen, there would be fewer particles for sunlight to bounce off. This means the sky would turn completely dark. It would feel like nighttime, even in the middle of the day. Spooky, right? The bright blue sky would disappear, and everything would look dark and strange. People outside would suddenly feel like they were in a dark room, even though the sun was still shining. Birds flying in the sky would lose their sense of direction, because they use the light to find their way. Animals that are active during the day would get confused because it would feel like nighttime. Plants would also stop making food because they need sunlight to grow. It would be a very strange and scary moment. Did you know that oxygen isn't just in the air? It's also part of the Earth itself. The Earth's crust is made up of about 45% oxygen. If oxygen disappeared, the crust would start to break. Rocks, mountains, and even the ground beneath your feet would crumble. Everything would collapse, and everyone on Earth would fall. It would be like a giant earthquake happening everywhere at once. The ground would shake, and buildings would sink into the earth. People, animals, and trees would fall into the cracks. It would be a very scary moment. Imagine standing on solid ground 1 second, and then falling into a deep hole the next. The Earth's surface would change completely in just 5 seconds. Even oceans and rivers would be affected because they contain oxygen too. Fish and other sea creatures would struggle to survive. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Without oxygen, any fire would go out immediately. Candles, stoves, and campfires would all die in an instant. Even bigger fires like wildfires or burning buildings would stop. While this might sound like a good thing, it also means no engines, no heat, and no light from flames. People who rely on fire for cooking or warmth would be in trouble. Factories and power plants that use fire to create energy would stop working. The world would suddenly become very cold and dark. Hospitals, schools, and homes would lose electricity because power plants need oxygen to work. People would have to find other ways to stay warm and cook food. It would be very difficult to live without fire or electricity. Even though 5 seconds might not seem like a long time, the effects would be very bad. People, animals, and plants depend on oxygen to survive. While humans might not feel the lack of oxygen right away, the changes to the environment would cause huge problems. Buildings would fall, the sky would go dark, and the Earth's crust would break. It would be a disaster. Everyone would be in danger, and the world would look completely different. People would panic because they wouldn't know what was happening. Animals would run around in confusion because they couldn't see or hear properly. Plants would stop growing because they need oxygen to live. The entire balance of nature would be destroyed. Luckily, after 5 seconds, oxygen would return. You could take a deep breath again, and life would slowly go back to normal. But the damage done in those 5 seconds would take years, or even centuries to fix. Cities would need to be rebuilt, and nature would need time to heal. It's a good reminder of how much we rely on oxygen every single day. We often take oxygen for granted, but this thought experiment shows just how important it is for life on Earth. Without oxygen, nothing would work properly. People, animals, plants, and even the Earth itself depend on oxygen. It's like the invisible glue that holds everything together. So what did we learn? Even though 5 seconds without oxygen might seem like a short time, it would cause massive destruction. Buildings would fall, metal would stick, the sky would go dark, and the Earth's crust would break. It's hard to imagine, but this thought experiment shows just how important oxygen is for life on Earth. Thankfully, this will never happen. We can take a deep breath and be grateful for the oxygen in our atmosphere. For more fun English Waves questions, keep checking back with us, stay curious, and remember, science helps us understand the world around us.